want to look at the option of taking a pre-built subtitle effect and applying that inside Final Cut. There are several of these available online. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You need to find them online and then you install them for use in the title browser here on the right hand side. I found one and it is called TKY Effects. So I'm going to search for that, TKY. I see it here in my title browser. I'm going to just move over to the Finder level for a minute and I see here in the following path, my hard drive, users, my name, movies, motion templates, titles. And then I have this TKY Subtitle Effect and I see it up here. So I have this installed on this computer and I'm ready to go. I'm using Final Cut as a player, so Command 2 is to activate my timeline. JKL is navigation, arrow keys left and right, fine tuning. And I set an in point. I am currently inside Final Cut and I set an out point. And now I select the subtitle effect and I press Q to connect it to my primary storyline. And I see it's all set up there. And the nice thing, for example, about this effect is I have a gray background behind the subtitle. It's like semi-transparent, and this will change according to the size or the width of my text or the height of my text. I have, by the way, my Show Titles Action Safe Zone switched on. This helps me if I'm going for broadcast and I'm ready to go and edit my text. I have my inspector open here on the right hand side, so I can either click on the text here in the canvas itself, in the timeline window, so to speak, or I can come in here into the inspector and edit my text in here. And as I say, the background of that box will adjust according to the width and height of my text. And I would repeat this, so if I wanted to come in and do my next title, I would obviously go and do exactly the same again. I want to look at optimizing the interface. Come in here, add my title, connect it to my primary storyline. And I'm either typing in the text on the fly, or I might even be copying and pasting from a transcription. Let's just consider one more possibility, and it is as follows. Let's just imagine that for whatever reason I decide that actually I'm not so happy with that grey bar behind the text, and for example, for the sake of demonstration, I want to have a green bar or a red bar or whatever. I'm in the inspector, I come over here and I could select, for example, here a green color for a green bar and I would be ready to go. The only thing is here, if I want to continue using this template, I'm basically in a copy and paste situation. I'm going to have to do this as I did in a previous video. I'm just going to be copy and pasting it and coming in here and adding text to the copied version of my template. As soon as I come in here and I want to add the original template, it's not really very surprising what the result is. I come in here and I connect it and I have the grey background. So if I decided, well, actually, I kind of really like that green background, and if I have motion, then the thing to do would be to open this template which I found online in motion and tweak it in motion and then save it as a template, as I also did in a previous video, and work with the copy of my downloaded pre-built subtitle effect.